super mild bruise here. And we have an announcement here. Let me show you. One sec. I'm sorry if my figures are getting in the way, but here we go. Our new arena. It may not be the best, but just so you know, I still have to add the aprons on this thing. It's going to look epic. Raw's going to be on that side. SmackDown's going to be on that side. Already made them. And you're going to like this ambulance match I'm about to do a little earlier today. I made an announcement on my WrestleMania video. There will be a new ring coming out on Monday. And guess what? It's Monday, so goodbye.